Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. Today I have a special guest. She is the Breakfast Belle, phenomenal breakfast chef, and she's going to be helping us today make frittata muffins. Isabella, what will we need?
Today we will be needing eggs, ground beef, onion, tomatoes, greens of your choice, cilantro, and salt and pepper to taste.
Awesome. We are actually going to add 2 more ingredients, very healthy, ground up sunflower seeds, and they're a great replacement for breadcrumbs and things like that, help absorb into the eggs and make these frittata muffins so delicious. Also, we add some hemp seeds for those healthy omega-3s. I like to do this in a KitchenAid, but basically, guys, it is an omelet in a muffin tin. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Isabella has put eggs, a splash of water, salt and pepper to taste in our mixer. Go ahead, sweetheart, and add the rest. While she adds the ingredients, I'd like to just mention we always want to use the best quality meat that we can get our hands on. Local farms are great, and then organic at your grocery store eliminates antibiotics and also the GMO factor in your meats. So we have already sauteed the onions, tomatoes, and I actually threw a few bell peppers in there today because I had them in my fridge. We've done a little bit of spinach and arugula mixed together, and we're gonna add in our sunflower and hemp next. Great job, Isabella.
Thank
No
you.
wonder they call you the Breakfast Belle. Perfect. Depending on what kind of fresh herbs you actually like, we love cilantro in our house, so we use a lot of it. We're going to add cilantro to this recipe, but feel free to interchange this recipe. Like I said, it is an omelet in a muffin tin. So feel free to be creative. You can leave the meat out, you can put double meat in, whatever suits you. We mixed everything together thoroughly in our KitchenAid mixer, and now Isabella has put it all in muffin tins. We're using a measuring cup. Why do we do that?
We do that so they're all the same size and they all cook evenly.
So smart. She's so smart. So anyways, you guys can see this makes an abundance of frittata muffins. They freeze well, and just like that, your breakfast is ready for like a week.